Okay, now welcome back, children. Now we will do prepositions behind, in front of, near, between, and among. Before now understanding, first just read these following sentences. We'll read this. Mr. Gupta, Ajay, and Ritu are standing in front of the gate. The dog is behind the gate. The car is parked near the gate. Ajay is standing between Mr. Gupta and Ritu. The dog is standing among the plants. Now we have written certain things. First I will explain you like this, and then I will explain you like this, which I made an explanation for the previous prepositions. Now first, preposition behind, in front of, near, between, and among. Now preposition behind and in front of are opposites of each other. They are opposites of each other. Now what is behind? Behind in Hindi commonly we call it as पीछे, है ना. Behind is something which is standing, means something which is standing behind you. So anything, it's not like behind you only, but behind anything. Okay, that is behind, जिसको हम बोलते हैं पीछे. Then in front of is opposite of behind, which will be front, which will be in front. Okay, which will be in front. Then preposition near, it can be beside or something very close, something which is very very close to another thing. Understood? That then we use this preposition near. Now preposition between is used with two things. It is used with two things. Okay, it should be only two things, then only we use between. Then preposition among is used with more than two things. Preposition among, it is used with more than two things. And examples we have discussed here. Mr. Gupta, Ajay, and Ritu are standing. They are in front of gate. Okay, they are not behind, they are in front of gate. Understood? I hope you are understanding. Behind and in front of. Then the dog is behind the gate. पीछे. The car is parked near the gate, beside or very near, very close to. Then Ajay is standing between Mr. Gupta and Ritu. I told you we have to take two. Then only we use between. Otherwise we cannot use between preposition. The dog is standing among the plants. Now plants are so many. So among we use when there are more than two things. Understood? Now coming to this drawing which I made to explain you. Now this is the box. I gave you the example of the box in the red ball when we were doing over, under, above, below, on. Okay, so this I have written here in Hindi also. पीछे, behind. This is the box and ball is behind. पीछे है, ठीक है. It is behind. So half of the ball is visible behind. It is behind. The ball is kept behind the box. पीछे रखा है, ठीक है. Then in front of is this. I told you behind and in front of are opposites of each other. Now the ball is in front of the box. If you want to talk about the box, then it will be the box is behind the red ball. Same way here, if you want to talk about the box is in front of red ball. I hope you have understood this. Then coming to near, it is पास में, ठीक है, पास, near, beside you, beside or very very close, ठीक है, that is near. Then coming to between, beach, ठीक है, beach. This two boxes and the ball, red ball is kept between these two boxes. Between, whenever we want to use between, there has to be 1 and 2 only, and the whichever we are talking about the object, वो हमेशा इसके बीच में होएगा, तभी then only we can say that the ball is between the two boxes. Now coming to among. This is among. This is among. Okay, there are more than two boxes. 1, 2, 3. Now the red ball is kept among the boxes. Okay, it's kept among the boxes. I hope you have understood. Now the exercise which you will do is the next one. this exercise you will do. Okay, now fill in the blanks with behind, in front of, near, between, or among. The painting is dash the window and the clock. Now two nouns are there, window and the clock, so the painting should be between. Okay, the painting is between the window and the clock. He hid dash a curtain. He hid dash a curtain. Now here the word is hid. It cannot be in front of because वो छुपा हुआ है. It cannot be in front of. It cannot be near. It cannot be between because we don't have two curtains here. Between, we cannot use among here. Understood? Because curtain is only one. So it should be behind, पीछे. He hid behind a curtain. Sujata distributed the sweets dash her friends on her birthday. Now here Sujata, she has many friends. She has many friends. So more than two. Okay, so more than two, then we use among. Sujata distributed the sweets among her friends on her birthday. Please do not park your car dash the gate. Please do not park your car dash the gate. It should be in front of. Okay, in front of, because obviously we ask not to park the car in front of gate because it create inconvenience for others. Now we have a beautiful park dash our house. We have a beautiful park dash our house. It should be near. Okay, it should be near. I hope you have understood. Now some of the prepositions. Now see carefully how some preposition have been used in the following. The table is made of wood. I went to the market with my mother. We sat at the table and took our lunch. Manju is suffering from fever. It is 7 by my watch. We should be kind to the animals. I am waiting for my friends. Do not be afraid of the dogs. These are the prepositions and they are used in different sense. I hope you have understood. Now coming to this also, you will see this one also. This will explain you properly. Okay, now the preposition on, this mobile phone, it's kept on the book. When it's kept not on the book, and when it's kept beside or near, it's near. Okay, this is near. Then I explained you with the diagram. This one, behind, this cup is behind the glass. Now in front of, this mug is in front of the bucket. Between, these are the two nouns and she is standing between. Among, more than, two nouns, among. Okay, then comes under the tree. Then comes over. I told you about the fan. It is always over. Okay. Then comes above. Not necessarily vertically. Okay, above, like over में क्या होता है, vertically above होता है. ठीक है, not necessarily vertically above, but somewhere here and there, that is above. Then below, this is vertically below, opposite of over. Okay, opposite of over, this is below. Then comes this into. This parrot is going into the cage. Okay, then coming out. Okay, this is coming out of. I hope you have understood. Now we have finished this preposition chapter. I hope you have properly understood, and if there is any doubt still, you can ask me. You are free to ask me and clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you so much.